Hi everyone! Today I'm making a creamy miso soup. It's a raw soup made in my blender and it's vegan. I haven't given this one a go yet, but I thought I'd give it a trial run this morning. So I'll just run through the ingredients and what we've got here in the blender already. We've already got 2 cups of coconut water, 2 tomatoes, so just normal average sized tomatoes, not too huge and not tiny ones. I'm going to put in the juice of a lemon, and I'm putting in, I only had white miso paste. You can use either red or white miso paste or a combination of both. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of white miso paste into this particular batch. I'm also putting in, as I just did in that lot, a tablespoon of minced ginger, a clove of garlic, and 1 medium avocado. I'll just put all of that in. Okay, so this recipe comes from a website called The Sunny Raw Kitchen. So we'll give it a go. At the end we're going to put in 3 tablespoons of parsley. I've got flat leaf parsley there. I think it's probably a bit more than 3 tablespoons, but I like it, so that's okay. Right, I'll just move some of this out of the way. Alright, okay. Okay, my creamy miso soup has been blending for about, I don't know, 4 minutes or so. You can see it's really steamy coming out the top of that. I'm going to put in my flat leaf parsley now. I might put in that much, I think. So it's probably about 3 tablespoons if you compacted it down. I'll just give that a slow whiz up just to chop it. So I'll just put it on but keep it low. There we go, and we're done. Alright. I'll pour this out. And I'll come back to show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's the completed soup. It's very creamy and warm, as you can see. I've garnished it with finely sliced spring onions and hemp seeds and some finely diced red capsicum, just for a bit of sweetness and crunch. So I'll just give it a quick taste. It looks lovely. It's very savoury taste. It's creamy. It's certainly very hot. Yeah, that's actually really nice. I wonder if maybe next time I'd also add maybe half a teaspoon of vegetable stock as well. But no, that's a really good recipe, so give that a try. That's creamy miso soup, done in the Optimum 9900.